Welcome to Salonify demo. My name is Kritika. Today we will explore how easy it is to add employees and manage face attendance with Salonify. Let's get started. To add a new employee, start by navigating to the settings. Select employees. Here you will see a list of all your current employees. To add a new one, click on the Create Employee button at the top right corner. Fill in the required details as name, phone number, salary, date of joining. You can also upload a profile picture for the employees. This picture will be used for face attendance. Once all the information is entered, click on the Create to add the employee to your salon. In the Attendance tab, you will find an option to enable face attendance. Toggle this on. Now let's move on to managing face attendance. Go to the Attendance tab in the dashboard. Salonify makes attendance tracking effortlessly with its face attendance feature. Let's set it up for our new employee. Salonify now will use employee's profile picture to recognize and mark attendance automatically upon clicking the check-in button. Simply look at the camera and your attendance is marked instantly. It's that easy. You can easily monitor the attendance records. You will find the detailed logs of check-in and check-out times. This ensures accurate and efficient attendance management, helping to maintain a seamless and professional salon operations. Thank you for watching our demo on adding employees and managing face attendance with Salonify. For more tutorials and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Transform your salon management with Salonify today.